In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating video using just your photos. We'll be diving into the process step by step so you can create something truly special, whether it's for a family gathering, a social media post, or just to capture some fantastic memories in a creative way. First things first, you'll need to choose the tool you want to use. There are many options out there, from online platforms like Canva and Adobe Express to mobile apps such as CapCut. These tools are user-friendly and offer a range of features that will make your video shine. If you prefer working on a desktop software is also a great alternative. Pick whatever you feel most comfortable with or whichever fits your needs best. Once you've selected your tool, it's time to upload your photos, gather all the pictures you want to include, and upload them to your project. It helps to have your images ready in a folder on your device for easy access. When your photos are uploaded into the platform, it's time to arrange them. You can drag and drop your images onto the timeline or canvas in the order you wish them to appear. Think about the story you want to convey and arrange your photos to best tell that story. Now that you have your photos in order, let's move on to customizing your video. One of the first things to consider is how long you want each photo to be displayed. You can adjust the duration by shortening or lengthening each photo's time on screen. This can help maintain the viewer's interest or emphasize particular moments. Then, add transitions between photos. Whether you opt for smooth fades or dynamic wipes, these effects will help create a seamless flow from one photo to the next. Next, consider adding text and graphics. Adding captions or titles is a great way to give context or highlight details in your photos. You can choose stylish fonts and colors that align with the theme of your video. Don't forget about filters and effects too. Applying filters can enhance the colors or give your video a distinct look that matches the mood you're going for. Music can set the tone and bring your video to life. Select background music from the platform's library or upload your own tracks to personalize it even further. Make sure the music complements the visual elements and adds to the overall atmosphere you want to create. Lastly, when you're happy with your creation, it's time to export your video. Choose your desired format and resolution, considering where you'll be sharing it. Social media has different requirements than a local display. With a few clicks, your video is ready to be shared with the world or saved onto your device for later enjoyment. And there you have it. With these steps, you can create